Alright, I'm gonna try to make this as fast as possible. My GoPro's dying, so we're at Jorge Meza's dwelling. You can see here all of the front slope is damaged. It looks like a repair was previously made, but you know, essentially to repair 22 wind damage shingles, I'm going to be touching this entire roof, right? And then here I'm going to be getting into the ridge. I have to detach and reset the ridge vent. Essentially I'll be touching this entire front slope. We also have wind damage on the back slope, so I'm going to show a quick repair attempt and see if we can get this repaired. But essentially on a 20-year shingle, you know, I doubt we can do the repair. Alright, these shingles aren't even attached. Look at that. Alright, so we gotta get the nail out. You can see the shingle already creasing. Look at that. I'm gonna try to make this quick because I know this GoPro's about to die, so. You can see the shingles creasing here. I mean, the granules are falling off as I'm trying to do the repair. We'll get the shingle out, meaning. I got one more. There we go. Shingle's out. Now, for the sake of time, you can see this shingle here creasing. Shingles here is creasing. Shingles here is creasing. Shingle here is creasing. Essentially, I'm only causing more damage just to repair this shingle. The front slope, you can see the damage. I'm not even going to attempt. So. Give me some nails, big dog. That one was already creased. That's the only reason why I did that. See, so if the GoPro's still on, like I said, this roof granules are falling off as I'm trying to nail the shingle in. This is unrepairable. See here, this one I kind of lifted it up, but it was already creased. Can we put the nails in on this one?